Imagine that you have the latest phone with all the latest features, apps, everything about is great. Unless you decide to make a call, you take your phone out and you swipe up the screen. जैसे ही आप स्क्रीन को स्वाइप अप करते हो, you see a black screen with a sign of dead battery on it, which means कि आप कॉल नहीं कर पाए, which also means कि चाहे आपका फ़ोन कितना भी लेटेस्ट हो, अच्छा हो, महंगा हो, it is of no use to you at least at that time. दिस एनालॉजी इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मैनिफेस्टेशन की दुनिया में भी ऐसी बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स एंड टूल्स हैं जैसे कि एफर्मेशंस, विजुअलाइजेशन, विजन बोर्ड, स्क्रिप्टिंग. ऑल ऑफ देम आर डेड विदाउट देयर बैटरी. They sure are important, they work and they make your manifestation journey engaging just like how your apps make your phone engaging. But without the battery, your phone became useless and so will your manifestation. So what is the battery in manifestation? It is the emotions. Yes, the energy or the fuel in manifestation is your emotions. And in this video, we are going to decode what is emotions and how their power can be unleashed in your manifestation journey. Let's go. So first things first, what are emotions? Emotions are nothing but your energy in motion. So let me take a step back and let us talk about thought for a moment. हमने ये देखा था कि जब भी हम किसी थॉट के बारे में सोचते हैं तो वो हमारे ब्रेन में क्रिएट होता है. Scientifically speaking, a thought is actually an electric signal. यानी कि आपके ब्रेन में जब भी कोई थॉट आता है तो एक इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नल पैदा होता है. यही इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नल अगर आपके फीलिंग्स के साथ अटैच हो जाए, यानी कि जब आपका दिल और आपका दिमाग एक हो जाए एंड एक वाइब्रेशन को क्रिएट करे, उस वाइब्रेशन को कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड. अब ये इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड ब्रॉडकास्ट होती है यूनिवर्स में एंड यूनिवर्स इसी से मैचिंग वाइब्रेशन चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ में लाके देता है. Isn't it romantic and brilliant? मतलब if you are thinking about fear and if you're also feeling fearful, then आपको यूनिवर्स से एग्जैक्टली वैसी ही और चीज़ें मिलती जाएंगी एंड एग्जैक्ट मैच ऑफ दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी. इसको कहते हैं इमोशनल रेजोनेंस. मीनिंग कि आप जिस भी इमोशनल फ्रीक्वेंसी पे वाइब्रेट कर रहे हो, यूनिवर्स आपको उसका एग्जैक्ट मैच लाके देगा एंड बार बार लाके देगा और ज़्यादा लाके देगा. बिकॉज यू माई फ्रेंड आर वाइब्रेटिंग ऑन दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड यूनिवर्स की लैंग्वेज इज नॉट हिंदी, इंग्लिश और साइन लैंग्वेज. इट अंडरस्टैंड्स द लैंग्वेज ऑफ योर फीलिंग्स एंड योर इमोशंस. Make sense? Now, what doesn't make sense to me is toxic positivity versus real emotion. This is a big one. Now, when people understand the concept of electromagnetic field and how we are radiating that and broadcasting that out in the universe and how the universe is bringing us back the things that we are vibrating on, तो लोगों को लगता है ओ इसका मतलब मुझे सिर्फ पॉजिटिव सोचना है और सिर्फ पॉजिटिव ही फील करना है. That is the biggest mistake. In fact, it is toxic. Look, we all are humans and we all are meant to feel the feelings and the emotions that erupt within us. The key is not to get stuck there. And the key is also to be aware and how to use it for us rather than make it work against us. Now, how we are going to deal with it is something that we will learn in the video later. But for now, I just wanted to highlight this that please, this does not mean कि आपको टॉक्सिक पॉजिटिविटी में जीना है एंड आपको हर चीज़ सप्रेस करनी है. नो, manifestation is not supposed to be torture. It's supposed to be beautiful and real. And always remember that emotions are going to override your thoughts. Always, always. Now let us revisit the lesson of RAS. We understood that RAS is the gatekeeper of your brain and whatever works, it allows and whatever it doesn't work, it लेट्स इट आउट. वो उसको इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देता है. तो आपने कभी सोचा है कि वो कैसे टैग करता है कि वॉट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू एंड वॉट इज़ नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू? येस, इट इज़ थ्रू योर इमोशंस. मीनिंग जब आप किसी चीज़ पे इंटेंस इमोशंस शो करते हो ना, बी इट पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, तो आपके रेटिकुलर एक्टिवेटिंग सिस्टम को लगता है दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वो उसको उस बकेट में रखता है एंड इट फिल्टर्स आउट दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड इट शोज यू मोर प्रूफ्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर इमोशन. सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट कि अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड या अच्छे वाइब्रेशन में हो तो वो आपको वैसी और चीज़ें ला के देगा. एंड अगर आप फेयर या फिर लैक में हो, देन इट विल गिव यू मोर रीजन्स टू बी फेयरफुल ऑफ और इट विल गिव यू मोर रीजन्स टू फील लैक इन योर लाइफ. नाउ आई वांट टू शेयर विथ यू अ पावरफुल एग्जाम्पल which is going to be very relatable for us to understand the power of emotions. And if we tweak the sequencing a bit, it can completely change the direction of our life. So there were two entrepreneurs. एक का नाम था राहुल, एक का नाम था अमन. Rahul was someone who had the approach of have do be. Meaning, he thought that when I will have great clients, profitable, rich, successful clients, then I will work hard, then I will be successful, then my business will run and I will be successful. And on the other hand, Aman was someone whose approach was be, do, have. Means, वो क्या सोचता था कि मैं वेट नहीं करूँगा सक्सेसफुल होने की टू फील सक्सेसफुल. I am successful right now. He completely changed, he reversed the sequencing of the emotion, which is, by the way, universal's law as well, and 90% of the people don't get it. So what he did was, he tweaked his mind. So instead of waking up every morning and saying कि I want to be successful, he asked himself that अगर मैं successful होता तो मैं कैसा feel करता, and he basked in that frequency of being successful. So he embodied the feeling of being successful, and then he took inspired action which were aligned with his emotions of being successful. That means he did the work, he took the action, and then he had more successful clients, more network as a result. So you can imagine that this little tweak is such a powerful shift in an area like business. Just imagine what it could do to someone's life if they apply it to all their areas, be it health, relationships, money, or career, or whatever. But this is so powerful. In fact, 90% of the people have Rahul's thinking that जब हमारे पास ये होगा, हम ये करेंगे, तब हमें ये फील होगा. No, that is not the right way. आपको पहले फील करना है, फिर आपको अलाइंड एक्शन लेना है, then you will have it, because you are in that electromagnetic field through your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions, and then you will have that. So the bottom line here is that manifestation is not a future game. It actually tests your present state of being, not doing, not having, but being. Hold on to that thought for a moment. Now, how to use the emotions for manifestation? Number one, we just explored embody the being state, which we understood in Aman's example. आपको ना सुबह सुबह उठ के या फिर सोने से जस्ट पहले वैसी फीलिंग इग्नाइट करनी है अपने अंदर, जैसे आपको वो चीज़ या वो अपॉर्चुनिटी या वट एवर गोल दैट यू आर सीकिंग, वो मिलने के बाद, वो कंप्लीट होने के बाद जो आप फील करोगे ना, आपको वो फीलिंग इग्नाइट करनी है. And once you are in that feeling, you have to take aligned action, and then you will automatically have it. Number two is expressing gratitude. Gratitude is the fastest frequency to help you shift your focus from lack to abundance. आप कॉन्शियसली अपने ब्रेन को नोटिस करवा रहे हो कि मेरे पास जो है वो बढ़िया है. उससे ये होता है कि आपका रेटिकुलर एक्टिवेटिंग सिस्टम एक ऐसा फिल्टर खोल देता है जहाँ पे वो मजबूर हो जाता है आपको ऐसी और चीज़ें शो करने के लिए वेयर यू आर मोर ग्रेटफुल. एंड वंस यू आर बास्किंग इन दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ gratitude and abundance and happiness, then guess what? You will become a magnet for more opportunities, people, etc., where you will find more abundance, more happiness, more peace, and you will get more of it. So practice gratitude. Number three is the emotional release. Remember how we talked about toxic positivity and real emotions? So this is the thing. Once you have any deep or heavy emotion, it is very important to not suppress it. I repeat, it is important to not suppress it. जब भी हम किसी emotion को दबाते हैं, suppress करते हैं, तो वो और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. It accumulates, sometimes in our mind, and nowadays it is even reflecting in our bodies. And I think we all are aware that whatever we resist, it persists. तो आपको मेक श्योर करना है कि आप सबसे पहले उस इमोशन के लिए अवेयर हो जाओ. यू हैव टू एक्नॉलेज, एक्सेप्ट दैट समथिंग इज देयर विच यू आर फीलिंग. इट कुड बी हर्ट, इट कुड बी एंगर, वट एवर इट इज, आइडेंटिफाई दैट इट इज देयर. डोंट इग्नोर इट. ओके, once you sit with that feeling for a moment, allow it to pass through you. अब पास कैसे होने देना है? The idea is कि suppress नहीं करना है तो express करना है. कैसे express करना है? You could write it down. You could talk to someone who is trustworthy and who will lightly, positively, politely, lovingly nudge you back in the right direction to focus on your goals, but is also empathetic towards whatever it is that you're going through. Okay, or you could practice catharsis, you could practice meditation, you could practice inhaling positive things and exhaling your fear or whatever negative or heavy emotions are there. You could imagine that the darkness within you is leaving through your feet and the positive light is coming from your crown chakra till your feet. You could talk to God, you could cry. Basically, there are various ways. The point I'm trying to make is express your emotions. It's not necessary to actually make someone sit down and express to them. See, if you could do that, nothing like it. But I understand that it's not always possible, but we do have other ways to express ourselves. So we should make use of that because it is important for us to release those emotions and liberate ourselves, right? So practice releasing your emotions and plant a new positive emotion, but for that you have to make space. So that is why it is important to release your emotion. In short, आपके emotions का remote control आपके हाथ में है. You always have a choice. I hope you make a good one. Now this was it for today's video. यहाँ तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत धन्यवाद. I want you guys to write down in the comments below, my emotions are my superpower. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, वैल्यू मिली हो, make sure to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel. मैं मिलूंगी आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, take care of your universe.